Okay, so in this video too, I'm going to take you through a demo on how to create a branded cover photo. So I'm going to assume you've got everything all set up and you've already been through the step-by-step guide I give you later. So this is like you're doing it in business as usual, and so you're already familiar with what to do. So first up, we're going to go to Facebook, and this is my profile here. So I'm just going to type in, just to get a random business. So let's just select this restaurant here I've not done before. So this is their Facebook cover photo. So what you want to be doing is getting this Facebook cover photo. So for now, I'm just going to click on the image, and I'm going to right click on the image and say copy image. Now what I'm going to do is go to the template I've created, and I'm going to right click on there and go paste. So that's going to paste the image in. Then what we're then going to do is then stretch that so it fits the template, and we're going to send it to back. So we right click and say send to back. So this right now is in Microsoft PowerPoint, and then having done that, we're just going to drag it down. You can see how we want to reposition it so that ideally the customer can see the name of the business within the template. If I now go to slideshow view, it will show us what that looks like. So there we are. You can see there it's showing Il Castello is the name of the business, but it has also the other information about Flexcom on top. So press escape, takes you out of that, and you don't need to trim this at all because you'll see in a minute how that changes. So I'm just going to go to the top here and say Il Castello is a proud partner of Flexcom. We can also, for instance, go. We can also say restaurant if we wanted to. And if we want, we can always make the text a bit bigger. So there we are. So I'm just repositioning that so it looks about right. So the next thing we need to do is we need to put in the QR code here for the business. So I'm assuming here the business would have logged in, or you'll log in on behalf of the business, and basically go to others and refer a customer. So this is within the dealer's back office. Obviously this is my back office here, so it's slightly different, but you're going to come here and get the QR code. If you right click, you can go copy image, and then we'll now go to PowerPoint and go paste. Let's go paste that image in. Now if you make it bigger, you'll see there's lots of white space around the outside, so we just need to crop that. But before we do it, if you go recolor and set transparent color, you'll see we can make the whole thing clear. We can make the whites disappear. This is important because it just cleans it up a little bit, and now we can crop it for the right size. Come off around that, and we can then reduce the size of that so it's the right size for this space. You can do other things with this as well. Right now it's showing as black. There's nothing stopping you really coming in here and recoloring that. I think sometimes making it a different color can make it stand out a bit. Okay, what now I need to do is we just need to save this. So I've just created here at the top, we can go save it as other formats, and we're going to save it as a JPEG, and I'm going to put it here in a folder called demo, and we're going to call this Il Castello demo, and go save. It then says, do you want to export every slide? So we just say current slide only. So if I now go to that folder, this is the final output. That's our cover photo. So that's exactly the process to go through. The great thing here is you can update, or the business or yourself can update this image however many times you like and keep the Flexcom information the same. But you can use this as an excuse to re-promote this on Facebook. Obviously, the other thing here as well is you can share this on Facebook too. That image can be shared on people's individual profiles, and this is just giving simple instructions to customers on what to do in order to join Flexcom. So they scan the static QR code, they can shop in the local business, and they can then save money. Okay, so that's it. So in the next video, I'm going to show you some example cover pages so you can get a feel for how you can be using this either in your team if you're actually actively involved in implementing FlexCom, or if you're a business, on how you can use it in your business.